good. All right, let's go ahead and jump back into our next little piece here. So the thing that we did first was go into and start looking at analytics and grades for a student. I'm going to go back into one of my students here. I'm going to select on Annie, and I'm going to go back to her people page. So once Annie shows up here, I'm going to select on her name, and it's going to take me into her user space, and you're going to see basically a number of pieces over here on the right that are different reports that are available for each one of those users. So what we're going to do is just kind of run through a couple of these reports here. The interactions report is the first one. Now, what is the interactions report? It essentially has information on that student and you. And what I mean by that is simply it has you and your student was the last time that they interacted. You also then have what's called a faculty journal entry. So a faculty journal is essentially a shared space for all faculty to make comments and notes on student performance in the class. It's a great way to basically to share some of the knowledge of how a student has performed in the space. It's just a quick way to basically, it's a running log, if you will, of all of the teachers that have interacted with that student. You then also have what's called a current score, which is their grade based on the assignments turned in. A final score, which is their grade with every other assignment not turned in set to 0. And then a listing of assignments